Hi guys! So recently, we had a very unique Father's Day celebration. We went on a chocolate factory tour at Goodell's. Sa mga may car, don't worry, malawak yung parking space nila. Also, sa FB page nila kami nag-book. Ito, yung receiving area nila, ang cute ng doodles. Tapos, may complimentary sila na iced and hot choco. Tinapak namin yung choco chips nila kasi ang sarap. Tapos, dito naman yung hot choco. And before mag-start ang tour, may short presentation sila na very informative. Na-discuss rin kung paano nagiging chocolate ang cacao beans. Super okay rin pag may kasamang bata dahil marami talagang matututunan. At dahil nga Father's Day, may free chocolate giveaway sila. They take yung cleanliness ng facility nila very seriously. Dumaan pa nga kami sa sanitizing cube. Ginagawa rin nila ito sa employees nila. Ito yung isa sa gusto ko sa kanila. Mafe-feel mong may puso yung pag-manufacture nila ng chocolates. Very meticulous and hindi sila nagtitipid sa ingredients. May free taste rin ng chocolates. At malalasahan mong quality talaga ang chocolates nila. Time to make our own chocolate bar. Tapos nilagay na sa ref yung gawa naming lahat. After the DIY chocolate bar, yung factory tour na. Dinaanan namin yung mga process na nabanggit sa presentation. Ay grabe, ang dami kong natutunan. Yung mga bata rin nakasabay namin, tuwang-tuwa. Worth trying talaga yung experience. Use code MAMASTORY10 for a 10% off on factory tours this July 2025. Subscribe to see more! Thank you guys! Bye!